Was just so we get this out of the way. Michelle.
Yeah, right. She'll never believe that.
Felice, I had nothing to do with this other than everything to do with this.
Oh my god, not again.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Hey, you guys protect me if she freaks out.
Wait, we need lights. Turn the light on first.
What if she dies of a heart attack?
Don't try to do weird shit to me. Put my hands in water and make me pee in my pants. I already did that. Weirdos. What are you recording?
Felice, you okay?
No, it wasn't even funny. It is stupid.
Oh,
Who's
dude.
doing this ignorance? You're...
Felice, come on.
No,
What's wrong? Are you okay? Are you tired? What happened?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah? You look tired.
I haven't slept in like a week, and don't do that again.
You look tired. You look